Hello.
Hi there.
Welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It.
I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
We're the Maze.
Yes, we are.
And we're back with another drink already.
What?
How many whats? Did we do two more?
What?
Okay.
Okay.
And you're going to like this one, I think, but we don't actually know.
Nope.
Because virgin attempt.
I mean, you know.
First time.
It might look a little familiar in its build.
Sure.
In that it is sort of reminiscent of a mojito.
It's a mojito adjacent.
Does the mojito use light rum?
I don't actually remember.
I think it might. We're not big mojito drinkers.
Not generally.
But I think it is. This actually has dark rum.
It does.
And I don't remember what this is called.
What kind of rum that is, or what the drink is called?
What the drink is called.
Oh, let's look it up. We have the internet. We can find these things out.
We want to give credit. This is called a Dark Rum Southside.
A Dark Rum Southside.
Yes, and this is a Barefoot Contessa recipe.
Oh, so well, thank you, Barefoot Contessa.
Thank you, Ina.
Thank you, Ina.
Via Pinterest.
I mean, we think thank you because we haven't tried it
yet. We haven't tried it. It might
she likes
suck.
it. And
so
she's pretty cool.
We're cutting her recipe in half because it actually made 4.
Because Ina's a lush.
We don't want to get lit. No, she has parties in her garden.
Because Ina has friends.
Ina has friends, and we are social distancing and have no friends.
Yes. No.
At least that's what we're going to say is the cause.
Yes. We don't have friends because social distancing. That's it.
It's fine.
That's the ticket.
It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, so this calls for 6 large mint leaves, which we just happen to have. So we just pulled out of our garden.
Coming from the
3, 4, 5, 6-ish. Knowing us, we probably should have done more than that, but it's fine. And we're going to muddle that with our simple syrup.
Are we?
We are. And if I can remember how much we're using. 2 ounces, I think.
2 ounces for our double.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a fairly sweet drink.
It is. But this is also going to be on the larger side because we're doing it on the rocks.
So many words have been spilled about whether or not you should muddle mint and how much you should muddle your mint, right? And we've read, I don't know, 10, 15 articles about how you're not supposed to like beat the mint into submission and muddle it like crazy because it makes
it that way.
It's supposed to make it bitter or something. Quite candidly, no, we haven't seen that that's actually the case. So your mileage may vary. If you find that your mint is getting bitter from over muddling, if you're the kind of person whose palate can tell,
don't abuse your mint so much.
Okay,
man.
Like take it easy. Don't beat it up so bad.
I've just added 2 ounces of our lime juice.
Yum.
Again, our lime juice is just bottled organic limes, nothing else. And then the good stuff.
4 ounces of rum.
4 ounces of rum. Again, this is for a double. We're using just a dark spiced rum here. Whoop! Which we're almost out of.
I had not put the ice in first because we haven't made this drink before. I didn't actually know how much room we were going to have in the shaker.
This is an odd thing, and I'm a little weirded out by it, but we're going to put just a little pinch of salt in there.
A pinch of salt.
We're using kosher salt.
Because reasons.
Because we like it.
Okay.
So now we're going to shake it up.
We ready to shake this?
That's it.
Okay.
So we're going to shake it until it's
too cold to hold.
We'll be right back.
Be right back. All right, that is cold, and you've got the Trapper Keeper strainer, as we call it.
It cracks me up that you call it that.
I don't know what.
But it's just a strainer that fits on top of the shaker.
It's a Trapper Keeper, though, at the top. It's got like the coiled spiral notebook thing going, so we just call it the Trapper Keeper strainer. So
you do.
I do. Because I'm cool like that.
Don't fill these all the way.
Right. We're going to leave a little room for some...
to 2/3-ish, I'd say.
Leave a little room for a little soda water.
Yes. It's good. Ooh.
Good.
Freshly made soda water.
Good fizz there.
Freshly fizzed.
Top those up for me.
Yes. And I did not bring... I didn't bring the spoon, so we're just gonna
Gonna stir with the dildo.
Give it a... Don't ever say that again. Give that a little zhuzh.
Beautiful.
And we picked a couple extra mint leaves.
So that we could be a little extra. All right, are you ready to taste this thing?
I am. I'm a little nervous. You know, me and rum, we don't have a great history.
I think this is going to be on the sweet side. I feel like
we have not given rum enough of a chance in our videos, and so I was trying to be... I picked this on purpose this week to give rum a chance.
Give rum a chance.
Give rum a chance.
Hashtag give rum a chance.
All right, cheers. I'm going to try it.
Whoa. Oh, that's candy.
That is like so sweet.
Mmm. Oh, wow. That might be too sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tasty, but it is cloying.
Y'all.
Woo! If you got a sweet tooth, this one's for you and maybe not for us.
Y'all.
Mmm.
That's like a sweet tart.
It is.
It's like a sweet tart.
Because it's got that lime.
The lime
so much
is the acidity. But there's so much sugar.
Oh, yeah.
We should have known better with the amount of sugar. But I followed the recipe. I thought.
We did.
We're going to be true to Ina.
I guess Ina's got a sweet tooth.
Sorry, Ina. This is way too sweet. Now, I think maybe we could have added way more soda.
Well, you just think as we drink it, we'll just keep bringing more and top it up with soda?
But either way...
It's pretty sweet.
I would cut the sugar in half.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe the lime, too.
The problem, though, is whatever you're cutting in half, you're replacing with more rum, which is itself sugar. Right?
That's true.
So there's no way to escape the sweetness here. Eventually, you're just drinking rum straight.
Okay, we had to have one we didn't like. We were bound to get there. It's not that it tastes bad.
No. Somebody with a sweet tooth is going to love this.
But,
Wowee.
And I have a sweet tooth. In certain
not for
things,
booze.
But not... When the time is right, I will happily drink a chocolate martini.
Sure.
But I did not expect this to be, for some reason, I should have known it was going to be this sweet.
You should have expected.
But holy baloney.
Yeah, that's dessert. That's dessert on the beach.
It's hitting me like right back here.
I'm going to hit you with a little more soda.
It's making me pucker.
We're going to bring this down a notch or two.
Oh, lordy. It's good.
If you
now that we've diluted it, I can drink that.
Yeah.
It is not too sweet for me now. Maybe you need to dilute yours a little bit more.
It's still a little much for me. You know what I think? Every time I have a drink.
Completely drinkable now. See, we just did it wrong.
Maybe it was our fault.
Even we make mistakes.
I'm sorry, Ina.
Even we make mistakes. Usually we just do it off camera so you don't get to see it.
Usually when we make our mistakes, we do it alone.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see? Well, if our friends out there, hopefully, in Rona-land...
Rona-land? No.
Would like to find us on the interwebs.
They can do so by going to Facebook and looking us up at We Made It Cocktails.
We're also the same on Instagram.
Yes, at We Made It Cocktails on Instagram.
On Twitter, we are at We Made It Drinks.
And
if you would like to find us on YouTube and you're watching us on Facebook, click the little link.
The link will be below.
Take you there. Us there, we're already there.
We're everywhere.
Take you there, and you can subscribe to our channel.
Please do.
But if you happen to just find us on YouTube,
great.
Go follow us on Facebook or Instagram because we post recipes that are not these.
Yeah.
We post things we found out in the world occasionally, stuff we like, stuff we're drinking. Pretty pictures of cocktails to brighten your day.
The videos are a lot of work, and we have kids, so we don't do them all the time. But
we put on pants for you.
We do drink more than we video.
Oh.
So we
like
a little bit more.
Well, we will be back.
We will.
At some point.
Soon, I think. Maybe.
The next time we feel like putting on pants.
Next time we can muster the strength to clothe ourselves.
We will be back again with another cocktail here on...
We made it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, I don't have anything to cheers you with.
I like that you use cheers as a verb.
It is a verb.
It is not a verb, but I like that you say it like it's a verb.
It is in my world. I'm going to save us so much money.
It was a labor of love, but I tell you what, it was a gorgeous drink when she brought it to me. I was like, what is this? I mean, she whipped up whipped cream. Like,
this is not a thing that's happening very often, so like don't get used to it.
No, it's a problem now. You spilled the beans.
I feel like I say things like that to
You're
you a lot.
capable.
Like, look, don't get
used to this.
Don't get used to this.
Yeah.
This is a special occasion.
This is a special occasion. Don't get used to this. I'm probably not going to do this for you every night.
Right. We're not having frappuccinos on a daily basis.
I wasn't talking about frappuccinos at all.
Trying to
Steer us. Absolutely.
Trying to steer us back to the...
not talking about frappuccinos. How'd you hurt yourself? Drinking.
Filming a video. I mean, drinking sounds more fun.
Filming a video sounds more fun. Oh, see what I did there?
What you did there.
I hurt my back shooting a video with my husband.
Groceries are an interesting
Groceries
thing right
are
now.
weird.
We still have not bought toilet paper since this started.
I haven't even pooped since this started.
Stop it.
I've just been holding
Stop it. That's a rum drink I can drink.
All you need in order to drink rum is like a lot less of it in the drink.
But I don't know. There are some other drinks I like that are sweet, like our... Let me just keep trying to hold my...
Yeah, I'm trying to grab you.
Okay.
Lost your whole train of thought.
Lost my whole
You were
train
saying
of thought.
other drinks that you think are sweet.
I just wanted to hold your hand.